A quick flash. So I woke up to some deliveries today. I'm a very lucky young man. And actually, you're very lucky as well, because this is going to benefit you guys, hopefully. So I woke up and I received Surface 9 Pro. Surface 9 Pro. Yeah. And it comes with the Surface Pro keyboard. Amazing. And not only that, laptop. Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. So, the reason it's going to benefit you is now I have an up-to-date device. I'm going to do a load of computer tips for everyone. Who doesn't love a computer tip? I certainly do. If you look at my old videos back in the day, back in the old evolution, back in the inception is the word I think I'm looking for, of this account, then I did Windows and Excel and Word and Microsoft tips. That's all it was. Yeah, I'm going to do some more. Why not? I've got the devices, got the equipment I need. Yeah, what do you want to see? Let me know in the comments. What other tips do you need from these computers? I'll do it.